I'm going to try to do a card trick with locator cards. I'm sure you've heard of that before, all over the internet, and I just learned it, so I've heard of it too. The locator cards that everybody uses are the aces. So let's get these jokers out. This card, Fig's book out. I don't know why they include those. Okay, let's locate the aces. Here's an ace of spades, an ace of clubs, ace of diamonds, ace of hearts. Okay, take out our 4 aces. And these are our locator cards, the 4 aces. We'll take the locators, we'll put them here with this deck on top of them. Now what I would normally do is I would have 3 spectators come up. I don't have 3 spectators, I'm all alone right now, so we'll have to do it this way. But normally what I would do is I would do a couple of cuts, and then I would ask the spectator to stop me at some point in time riffling. So I'll riffle, and they'll say stop, and then I'll stop, and we get a 6 of spades. And then the next one would come up, and again, do a couple of cuts, and another cut, and then we'll riffle, and they'll say stop someplace, and stop, and then we get a 7 of diamonds. And then the third spectator would come up, and again, mix up the deck, do a couple of cuts, another cut, and then ask them to say stop, and they'll stop me someplace, maybe there, and we get a 4 of clubs. So now what I'm going to do with these cards, I'm going to take them and I'm going to put them in the deck as such. So you could see 4 of clubs, a 7 of diamonds, and a 6 of spades. Just so you could remember. I'll see if I can kind of like add them on top and with graphics, because I probably won't even remember. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to snap and push. There goes the 4 of clubs, snap and push. There goes the 7 of diamonds, snap and push. There goes the 6 of spades. So let's take a look. If we see, I don't see a 6 of spades anywhere. Let's look for 7 of diamonds. I don't see a 7 of diamonds anywhere. Let's look for that 4 of clubs. And I don't see a 4 of clubs anywhere. That means I must have been successful in placing the cards over here next in between my aces. Let's look. So we've got a 4 of clubs, and then we've got a 6 of spades, and then we've got a 7 of diamonds, and of course our ace of clubs that didn't have to locate any cards. Let's do it again in slow motion. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our aces and we're going to put them back over here, the box back on top. We'll do this the easier way for you. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these cards, and in the face down deck I'm going to put the 4 of clubs in, and then I'm going to take my 6 of spades and put that in, and my 7 of diamonds and put that in. So we've got 4 of clubs, 7 of diamonds, 6 of spades, 4 of clubs, 6 of diamonds, 7 of six of spades. And let's see if they went. I don't see any face-up cards in the deck at all. None. That could only mean one thing. In slow motion, again, they went back here. Oh, but I only have 4 cards here. Did I do it too fast? Oh, there's the 7 of diamonds. It's fused to the ace of clubs. There's the 6 of spades, fused to the ace of diamonds. There is the 4 of clubs, fused to the ace of hearts. I guess I did it too fast.